Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and today we are going to do banking and financial awareness for the month of October 2024. So this is part 1 of the video and I'm also covering RBI circulars. ठीक है, जो major RBI circulars की updates हैं वो भी हम cover करेंगे. So let's start the session and before starting let me tell you IBPS RRB Scale 2 Scale 3 2025 course has been started and it's available on bankexamstudy.com. Links are available in the description. This is the WhatsApp number where you can ask your doubts and we are going to answer all your doubts. Okay. So let's start the session. With IDBI Bank launches OTS scheme for the retail NPA borrowers. So Sugam Rin Bhugtan Yojana by IDBI. So one-time settlement scheme aims at recovering the dues from the NPA account holders, ठीक है, जिन्होंने पैसे नहीं दिए. So this scheme targets a borrower with the principal outstanding between 10 lakhs to 10 crore. So retail borrowers whose loans turn NPA by 31st of March 2021 and that remain NPA as of August 31st 2024. So this is a scheme for the NPA. The scheme offers waivers on the interest expenses with specific terms for guaranteed emergency credit lines. ठीक है. So bank specific scheme है, not very important for other exams. ठीक है. So what is the minimum upfront payment required by borrowers under the Sugam scheme by 31st of December 2024? It's 10% of the settlement amount upfront pay करनी पड़ेगी by the borrowers, ठीक है, to the IDBI bank under the Sugam scheme. So Telangana becomes the first state to get Niti Aayog's Women Entrepreneurship Platform chapter. This is itself important. So Telangana is the first state to launch the Niti Aayog's Women Entrepreneurship Platform chapter, right? So पहला chapter यहाँ पर open होगा, right? The WEP Telangana chapter aims to support women entrepreneurship by providing them various tools, right? Which state launched the first chapter of Niti Aayog's Women Entrepreneurship platform? It's Telangana. New framework to curb excessive speculation in the stock market. So I hope you're already aware of the option trading done by a lot of small traders, especially the young traders. बड़े छोटे छोटे बच्चे आजकल stock market में trading कर रहे हैं. So a lot of people are losing money, right? So that is why the SEBI and also the government of India, they don't want people to they don't want everybody to start doing option trading. It's bad for the economy, right? So the Security Exchange Board of India announced a new framework to curb excessive speculation in the stock markets. First of all, minimum investment has been increased, right, from current range of 5-10 lakh rupees to 15 lakhs. So minimum investment बढ़ा दी है. And the option premium should be collected upfront collection. No loans should be provided by brokers. Removal of calendar spread based benefits, right? You cannot offset positions across different expiries. So you are taking call option for this month and put option for next month. You cannot do that, right? So intraday monitoring of position limits from 1st of April 2025, stock exchanges will begin intraday monitoring of position limits for equity derivatives, reduction of weekly expiries. So as of now, even Nifty is doing a lot of weekly expiries. बहुत सारे contracts weekly basis पे expire होते हैं. Nifty is there, Bank Nifty is there, financial services index is there. So they are going to reduce it. Higher margin requirements and additional extreme loss margin requirement of 2% would be implemented to all open short options. So 2% extra जो margin लिया जाएगा, right? So what is the new minimum investment requirement? I mean that's 15% in the index futures and option contracts as per the SEBI's guidelines on 1st of October 2024. So MMRDA secures 31,673.79 crore loan from PFC. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority MMRDA has secured 31,673 crore rupee loan from Power Finance Corporation to fast track 9 crucial infrastructure projects in the Mumbai. So the loan will cover 80% of the project cost and remaining 20% would be funded through government grants. Okay. So which organization secured 31,673 crore loan from the Power Finance Corporation? That is the Mumbai Metropolitan Regional Development Authority, MMRDA. इन्होंने secure किया है, right? Government launches a Prime Minister internship program to provide 1.2 lakh internships. So this is actually very important. You're going to find question from this particular topic in your exam in the upcoming in any exam in next 2, 3, 4 months. You will find questions from this particular topic. It's in the news everywhere. So the government has indeed launched the Prime Minister internship program. The students they can get internship. This initiative aims at providing 1.25 lakh internship at top 500 companies. And the students are going to get 5,000 rupee stipend and 4,500 would be, compensated by the government of India. Okay. So youth aged between 21 to 24 and qualification ranging from high schools to graduate degrees, they can apply for this program, right? So अगर आपकी एज 21 से 24 साल है तो 5,000 rupee internship you are going to get. So what is the monthly stipend provided to interns under the Pradhan Mantri or the Prime Minister internship scheme? It's 5,000 rupees. So Union Cabinet merges central agriculture schemes into 2 new programs, right? So the Union Cabinet, they decided to merge all the centrally sponsored schemes in the agriculture sectors into 2 umbrella schemes. The first one is Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana and the second one is Krishonati Yojana. So all the schemes would be, merged and they'll be into these 2 categories. The combined expenditure for these schemes is projected as 1 lakh, तकरीबन 1,01,321, 1,01,321 crore. So that would be the combined projected expenditure. So Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana with an allocation of 57,074 crores. It will focus on promoting sustainable agricultural practices and the Krishi Unnati Yojana with the capital expenditure of 44,246 crore. It will address food security and agricultural self-sufficiency. So those schemes में बट जाएगा. So combined projected expenditure for 2 merged umbrella schemes, 1,01,321 crores. India became the 4th country to have $700 billion in FOREX reserves. 700 billion से ज़्यादा हमारे FOREX reserves हैं. So $704 billion, $704.89 billion. These are the foreign forex reserves of India right now. Employment in India up by 36% as per the center reports. So that's what it is. The Ministry of Finance kept the interest rate on small savings scheme unchanged for the 3rd quarter of 2025. So it is important, you should know. The interest rate of PPF is 7.1%. Interest rate on Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is 8.2%. It is 8.2% on Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. It is 7.7% for National Savings Certificate. Okay. It's 7.5% for Kisan Vikas Patras, 4% for Post Office Saving Deposit and 7.4% for monthly income schemes. So please remember that PPF or PPF it is 7.1%. Okay. India and Maldives signed several MOUs including the currency swaps deal worth 400 crores. So what is the value of currency swaps? That includes 400 million between India and Maldives. ADB approves, and now this is very important, ADB approves 162 million loan for Himachal Pradesh tourism development. So ADB has approved $162 million loan to support sustainable and inclusive tourism development projects in Himachal Pradesh. So it will also include restoration of Nagar Castle in the Kullu, right? Important from examination point of view. So $162 million loan given by ADB for sustainable and inclusive tourism development project in Himachal Pradesh. CBDT released new guidelines for handling delayed tax refunds claim. So CBDT has issued new guidelines for handling delayed income tax refund claims and loss carry forward applications, right? So authority based claim amount for claims up to 1 crore handled by the principal commissioners of income tax, between 1 crore to 3 crore managed by chief commissioners of income tax, exceeding 3 crores processed by principal chief commissioner of income tax, right? So processing time, authorities aim to process these applications within 6 months, right? So what is the maximum time limit for filing a condonation application for delayed income tax refund or loss carry forward claims? 5 years is the limit for that. SEBI introduced new regulations for invites and REITs. So infrastructure investment trust and REITs, you can invest in real estate via stock markets. So I hope you're already aware of it. So lot size has been decreased from 1 crore to 25 lakhs. Pehle 1 crore tha, now it is 25 lakhs. Faster distribution, SEBI has mandated a distribution to the unit holders and it must be completed within 5 working days from the record date, and flexibility in the meetings. REITs and invites can now call unit holder meeting with less than 21 days notice. Electronic voting can be there as well. So what is the new trading lot size for privately placed invites as per the SEBI's latest guidelines? It's 25 lakh. It used to be 1 crore. So interest equalization scheme, it's an important RBI guideline. So the last date, the benefit of the interest equalization scheme would be available till 31st of December. It has been extended for another 3 months. Only MSMEs can take the benefit, and there is a limit on MSMEs. The limit is 50 lakh rupees. The limit is 50 lakh rupee. It is capped at 50 lakh rupees. Okay, 50 lakh rupee ka limit hai. And that's what, the limit is. And the benefit can be taken till 31st of December 2024. Any MSME which has already taken a benefit of 50 lakh, it cannot take more benefit, right? 50 lakh ka tak ka benefit hai, isse zyada ka nahi le sakte. Only MSMEs can take the benefit. So maximum fiscal benefit for MSME under interest equalization scheme is 50 lakh rupees, and it can be taken till 31st of December 2024. PFC secures largest ever foreign currency term loan of $1.265 billion. Power Finance Corporation, it secures largest ever foreign currency term loan of $1.265 billion, right? So the goal is to support PFC's various projects and initiatives, right? The loan has a tenure of 5 years. So what is the primary purpose of $1.265 billion? बहुत बड़ा loan है, largest ever by any corporation in India, by any infrastructure company. So the goal is to support projects in the renewable energy sector. ICICI Bank partners with the PhonePe to offer instant credit on UPI. So up to 2 lakh rupee, you can take the instant credit on UPI using the PhonePe app. So maximum instant credit available on the PhonePe app via ICICI Bank, that is 2 lakh rupees. Indian Navy signs an MOU with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance for naval civilian insurance. So insurance would be provided to our soldiers in the Navy. So the primary to provide insurance product to the naval citizens. NSE to discontinue weekly contract. As I told you in the previous slides, there are a lot of weekly expiries. So the NSE has already discontinued weekly contracts on Bank Nifty, Bank Midcap Select, Nifty Financial Services. These has been discontinued. So there will be monthly contracts on these contracts, right? These indices. So Bank Nifty, Nifty Midcap Select and Nifty Financial Services has been discontinued by NSE. Not discontinued, their derivative contract, weekly derivative contracts have been discontinued. Facilitating accessibility to the digital payment system for persons with disability guidelines by the RRBI. RRBI has notified that the POS machines should be friendly for the disabled people, right? They should follow the guidelines. Both banks and authorized non-bank payment providers, they must follow these guidelines. India placed in a serious category in the Global Hunger Index. India's rank is actually 105 out of 125, so which is actually bad. So 105 is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index. That's what you should remember. IFC partners with the Axis Bank to provide a 500 million loan to fund green projects in India. So International Finance Corporation, they partner with the Axis Bank to provide $500 million loan to fund the green projects in India. So it's an important question. Any loan by international organization is actually important for your exam. Scheme guideline for implementation of innovative projects under the PM SGM-BY. The Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy notified the scheme guidelines for the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So this scheme has an outlay of 75,021 crore. The scheme was notified now, but it was announced in the union budget scheme this year, right? So the central government is going to provide assistance for solar panels to the normal households, right? So how much financial assistance is offered for innovative projects under PM Surya Ghar Bijli Muft Yojana? Up to 60% of the project cost or 30 crore, whichever is lower. The September 2024 round of RBI's bi-monthly consumer confidence survey says the confidence has been increased. Survey shows improvement in the consumer confidence. It risen by 0.8 points to 94.7, right? So Union Minister Shivraj Chauhan launched a scheme laid the foundation for 500 kilometer highways. So it's not really a big news anyways. Under the Awas Sakhi mobile app. What was the name of the mobile app launched under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana to enhance rural infrastructure and housing? Awas Sakhi mobile app. So RBI grants white label ATM license to Mumbai-based EPS company. So Tata Communication Payment Solution, India One Payments, Hitachi Payment Services and Vakranji. These four already have the white label ATM license. Now the Mumbai-based EPS company got the license, right? So Electronic Payment and Services EPS got the license for white label ATMs, right? So I hope you like the today's session. We'll continue this class in the, I guess, tomorrow, right? Till then, you can join IBPS RRB Scale 2 and Scale 3 course, in which we are providing video classes, notes, quizzes, and the test series. Link to join the course is available in the description. Please check the description. List of our successful students in the previous years. All these students that took our courses and they cracked their respective exams, and I'm really, really happy for them. You can be one of them in the future. And yes, you will be one of them in the future. If there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your doubts and I am here to answer your doubts. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.